Bonjour Laila. So the last time we decided to start new textbooks, we used actually nouveau, it's new, jus d'orange, orange juice, and merci. So let me just show you what we did the last time because we used this one as well. So here is je parle allemand, je parle anglais, je parle français, je parle espagnol, je parle italien. Je comprends le français, I understand French. Un avion, un taxi, un croissant, une baguette, un train, un bus, un soda, un café, un thé, un cinéma, une pharmacie, un avion, a plane, un bus, a bus, un métro. Doesn't look like a subway. Looks like more like a, well, let's say it's a subway. Okay. So un métro, un taxi, une baguette, un café, un croissant, un soda, un thé, un cinéma, une pharmacie. A, B, so we're gonna make it a tiny bit more dynamic. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. H, I, J, K, L, M, N. O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V. W, X, Y, Z. Okay? So, we also use this one. Jus d'orange. That's explanation. Bonjour les amis. Hello friends. Un petit pain au chocolat. Une baguette. Une brioche. La boulangerie. La cafétéria. Un café. Un coca. Un jus d'orange. Les transports. Un avion. Un taxi. Un train. Okay? And the alphabet is the same. Huh? We talked about famous comic books, Astérix, Tintin, Lucky Luke. This is from a comic book. It's okay. The cartoons sound better, actually. Anyway, so we talked about that. We're going to try to see if we can interact with Unit 1 is right there. Now, opening, saying hi, opening the window, saying hi, going to school. Okay, so it's still, you know, it's not that complex, but I think you're gonna like it. Anyway, so coming back to the transcript, let's see if I can make this. Yeah. So, tu as passé un bon week-end. Have you had a good weekend? So, did you have a good weekend? Oui, j'ai passé un bon week-end. Yes, I had a good weekend. La boulangerie. Qu'est-ce que tu vois? Un pain au chocolat. So there is a polemic in France. Either it's a pain au chocolat or chocolatine. I personally say un pain au chocolat. Deuxième, seconde. Qu'est-ce que tu vois? What do you see? Une baguette. Troisième, third. Une brioche. La cafétéria. First object. Premier objet. Un café noir. Un espresso. Deuxième objet. Un soda ou un Coca-Cola. Troisième objet. Qu'est-ce que c'est? What is it? Un jus d'orange. Jus d'orange, jus de citron. Citron is lemon. Lime is citron vert, it's like green lime, green lemon. Les transports, transportation, un avion, un taxi. Third, troisième, un train. We have a lot of trains called TGV. They go very fast. Eurostar, should have put the uppercase, is a special TGV, fast train going from Paris to London. It's a bit pricey, but it's an experience, very nice experience. Okay. So, épelle le mot citron. C-I-T-R-O-N. So, we're going to do that on a regular basis. Allemand, anglais, français, espagnol, italien. Je parle allemand, je parle anglais, je parle français, je parle espagnol, je parle italien, je comprends le français. So we saw the different pictures, le cinéma, le train, le soda, la baguette, le croissant, le taxi, la pharmacie, le café, le thé, le dernier, the last one, l'avion. Okay, so I don't know if I should have the activity. I'll send you an activity, a small exercise. Okay, and yeah, because they don't give any exercises on this textbook. But anyway, there is also an activity book. Anyways, you have a wonderful evening. I'll see you on Friday. Au revoir, Layla.